Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise. If you've never been here before, and for those who have, welcome back. This is a pretty much a last minute video. I'm actually working on a video that I recorded earlier today. I'm working on that, and it's pretty much on this makeup look I'm wearing now, which it has faded away some, and I'm no longer wearing the foundation and the rest of the face stuff, just the eyes, and I'll put a little bit of lipstick on right now, which actually it's a Gerard Cosmetics Supreme Cream. No, lying. I'm lying. It's a lip gloss. Forgot the name of it. I'll put it down below for you guys. So anyways, like I was saying, this is a last minute video. And pretty much, if you follow me all over social media and have watched my previous video from last week, you know that Gerard Cosmetics has been having a huge sale for the holidays. It started last week and it ends tonight, in fact, at midnight. The entire site is 51% off with free shipping domestic. And let's see what else. I forgot the rest of it. So yeah, everything is 51% off. My discount code will not work, but I do have a link where you can go and order your stuff, and I will still get a commission from that. As you know, I'm affiliated with Gerard Cosmetics. Anyways, in this box, I have merchandise that I purchased. I used the leftover credit that I have for PR, and then I pay for the difference. And I'm excited because this will be my first official unboxing. So this is the box, and just gonna erase my address really quick because I don't want to give my address out. So, like I said, Gerard Cosmetics, and it's pretty heavy. I actually ordered a t-shirt and a hoodie. It's a pullover. So I already have the mirror. It was given to me by Jen when we first met. So I'm gonna open it. Alright, this is the packaging inside. The box is just like the rest of the boxes that you order. They all have the design and everything, the products. In fact, yeah, it has the products. It has, it has her Snapchat and her Instagram on here, which is the same thing as for her Twitter, which I'll put down below. It gives you a little thank you note, pretty much. This is my receipt. It has little noodles. Alright, so here is the shirt. Oh, it's very soft. It says Slail Day, which is it's the name of their setting sprays. It's a metallic looking sword. Honestly, I think it's a sword or a dagger or a stake. Probably a dagger. Probably. And then on the bottom it says Gerard Cosmetics. I got mine in a extra large, and that's because shirts like this I like to wear them big. And well, my chest area, I need plenty of room for that. So it's really soft. I can't wait to actually, let me just put it on right now, over my shirt. It's very, very soft. And like I suspected, it was going to be a tight fitting, but it's okay. So this is the shirt. Yes, I am fat and I am proud of it. Actually, that's actually one of my, where is it? Right here. It's actually, well, these two right here are scars from my lap. So this is what it looks like. It's very soft. I like it. The Gerard Cosmetics. Very, very soft. I like it a lot. Take that off because I don't want to dirty it. And it's not today. And it has to be cold, hand washed in cold. Which most likely I will do that. Because it's a very delicate but yet really, really soft material. And here is the sweater. When it comes to sweaters, I like wearing them super big. I like big sweaters. I like them big and comfy. And so I also got this in an extra large, I believe. No, I got it in a large. No, yeah, I did get it in an extra large. This is a sweater. And it says hashtag GC Squad. It has pockets in the butt. It has pockets here in the front of the pocket. And it has, again, her logo, Gerard Cosmetics. It's really soft as well. Inside and out. Very soft. Let's see. Ooh, super soft. And again, I like my sweaters big. Yay! This is what I like. I like my sweater. So GC Squad. This Gerard Cosmetics. No Squad, obviously. And like I said, I like my sweaters big. Especially when I'm wearing leggings. Very, very cozy. Very soft. I like it. It's very, very soft. And I'm actually cold, so I think I'm just going to leave it on. But yeah, all of her boxes come this way. And it says thank you on the inside. It has products that she sells. And a little letter, of course. And for those, well, for everyone, if you use her cosmetic products, if you want to use hashtags on Instagram and on Twitter, you could use hashtag GCLove, hashtag Gerard Cosmetics, and hashtag GC Squad. So if you are sporting some of her products and merch, go ahead and tag those hashtags and tag her at Hi, I'm Jen, which is HYIMJEN. That's for her Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. It's all right here in the box. And yeah, that's pretty much the video. It's soft. I like it. It doesn't feel like it's choking me, which that's another reason why I buy down, why I buy my sweaters big, because I don't like that choking feeling. But other than that, I mean, it's an amazing sweater. It's beautiful. I love it. And like I said, very, very soft. The instructions for this, if you do decide to buy it, which you can, is in her website, GerardCosmetics.com. Hi, Kaylin. Hi, Mama. And this has to be, I can't see it because it's so small. Even with my glasses, I won't be able to see it because it's really small. But yeah, this is a sweater. and the shirt. So if you do decide to buy them, go ahead and click on the link below. And after today, you'll be able to use my code again. And that's Denise G84, all in lowercase, and it's DENICE G84.
I get to learn the TV that this is over 10 minutes.
Yeah. So yes, if you want to get your own, just go ahead and go to Costmetics.com. So this is my last minute video for you guys.
And make sure to do this.
What she said. That's Kaylin's hand. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell to get notifications every time I upload, assuming this little bell works. It doesn't always work. At least I haven't gotten notifications for a lot of the...
Barely.
You're so hyper, aren't you?
Kind of.
I forgot what I was saying.
Wow.
Exactly. Wow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So until next time, love ya. See ya.